Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I'm coming to you finally with our haul that I was telling you all about. So I'm just gonna dive right in and start. This was at the Cambridge, Minnesota yard sale days. A lot of this does not still have stickers on it, so I don't have prices for you. And I did, if I remember, I'll tell you, like for instance, reach past the hat we got for our scarecrow we're gonna build, and this was in a free box, so I was pretty stoked about that, along with these vintage glass ornaments and this frame, and also from a free box was this little ceramic nativity. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And I think baby Jesus fell out. He must be in the back seat somewhere. So he's there. I know we had him. Okay, I paid $1/4 for this jar. I remember that. And oh, I didn't include like the personal stuff that we had bought. I got some hoodies for the boys. I got, I don't know, just a few things. All this tarnished silver I got for $1/4 to 50 cents at a sale. And that will go in the store as is, along with this. And the sticker was for $1.50. And this tree, I do not remember what I paid for that. It has little pine cones, needs fluffed pretty good, and just in a little wood box. We got some knobs. Let me pull them out. Also not shown would be 4 small lighted Christmas trees for the store. What else is there? A vintage toboggan, display for the store, a handmade one, brand new. It was beautiful. There's a china hutch, which you guys will see pictures of soon. And then like 4 boxes of knobs and hardware that are black, silver. Actually, they're in the back of the truck. Do you want to go grab them? So there's 4 of these ones. And they're just, oh gosh, the lighting out here is terrible today. These are just Hobby Lobby ones. And then one of this one. So cute, cute, cute. So those, I got, I think 8 of these stockings. They were a phenomenal deal, and you know, we're getting ready for our Christmas open house, so these will be absolutely perfect, and they go along with the colors we're planning on putting in this year. And at that same sale, we got this really cool wall hanging organizer. So the hardware, we have 32 of these. He had them marked 50 cents a piece. Oh, I can't get them out. Let's see if we can get the detail in there. He had them marked at 52 cents a piece, and then Todd ended up making a deal with him. This one is just some poles that were a little bit longer. These are singles. And are those the cup poles? These are just some cup poles. I don't know. Should have grabbed more, but it was towards the end of our going around, and we had spent what we pulled out for this. We got this Coke bottle. We're using this for a display in the store. I paid up a little bit for it. I paid 12 bucks. When I've sold these before, we sell them for 15 to 20. So it wasn't that great of a deal, but again, we're going to use this to display something in the store. Katie came across something really cool on Pinterest that we're gonna do. I paid $1 for this little sewing machine drawer. I don't even remember how much that was. It was just cute. Another piece of tarnished silver and a burlap flags to make a banner with, and a really cute heavy wood candlestick, and I won't do anything to that because it's fabulous. And then I got this crate. I think we paid $5 for this. And it still has the labeling on it, and I love those, and they tend to do really well in our store. Okay, next up are some adorable fall plaid pillows, along with this throw, and it actually, yes, matches the color in the pillows. And this throw, I don't remember what I paid for those at all. Oh, that's a personal thing I didn't take out. Oh, the plaid blue flannel throw was $2.50, and the maroon one was $3 only. So good deals on those. We sell those for about $16 in the store. I don't normally get them that cheap though. Cute little kitty. Isn't he cute? He was 50 cents. He was adorable. This would look so amazing with some plants in it. It kind of got a little bent. We'll have to screw that a little bit, tighten it up, but I thought that was too cute. And we've got a star bowl. This was $2. And then, is there anything in this? No. This little mail that opens for your mail. That was actually, we swung by Goodwill that same day, and that was an actual Goodwill find. Let's go through this. This was from yard sales. Oh, no, this was from Goodwill. These have, this is from a different day. That's why I don't remember. They're just little metal bears that we're going to use on different stuff for this Christmas season, along with 2 rusty jingle bells. And then, what are we looking at? Oh my gosh, there's a cat above me. We got this, not for the wreath, which is very, very broken, but for the tobacco basket itself. We're going to cut that wreath off of it. And if you know, we've been doing flannels, dipped flannels in the store and wholesaling them. So we are always on the lookout for some flannels to upcycle. So I'm kind of pulling them out, but we used the flannels to wrap up some of our finds, and almost all of them are jars, except this. Todd grabbed this to use as a planter. And then let's go through these. Oh, and a mug. I'm gonna probably keep this one. It's a Pottery Barn mug, and it is too stinking cute. And then we got some little jars, some nice vintage jars. These 2 have the glass lids. This does not. And this has a lid that somebody added to it. So we got those. And now flannels. So we've got a ton of flannels. We tried to keep them mostly large, extra large, and 2X because those are our best sellers. But we did grab other ones as well. So if you've been in our store, you know what these look like, or if you follow us on Facebook, you know what these kind of look like. So just got a bunch, and I mean a bunch. And we just try to get a good variety of colors so we get some good options for our customers. And I also grabbed this time, as I'm going through these, there's a ton. We grabbed some solid colors as well. I didn't even tell you that. I have Katie over here helping me, so. These gray ones are probably my favorite to do. Well, maybe, but probably, because we get some really cool colors. You never know what you're going to get when you do the dipping. So. And then I'm just going to keep going. We've got a bunch, I told ya. And then that one. And then 2 solids. And I actually have a green one inside, too, that we got on our last trips out. So we have gray there, and then a blue, what are these called? Chambray? I don't know. Just like a denim-y looking. So that is our whole haul. I know I went through it really fast, and I didn't go through private stuff, but if I think of it, I will get pictures and post them up above of the items that are not here in the truck. We went out for maybe 2-3 hours, but that also included getting Starbucks and hitting up Goodwill and hitting Walmart for chicken food, things like that. So that was included as time that we were away for. So all in all, I was super duper happy. The truck was full. We have stuff for displays. We have stuff for Christmas, which we're really, you know, I've got trees for my windows that are super cute, and the lights all work. So really happy with how it went. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We are definitely working hard at getting our numbers up, and enjoy the fall colors behind us. This is actually right, oh, you can see it's my favorite tree ever right there in the fall. It is phenomenal. If you follow me personally on Facebook, you'll get pictures galore. We will see you guys all next time. Bye.